Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet out of frozen fruit, easy method. Pulse frozen berries with a touch of honey and lemon, then blend while scraping the bowl until silky smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness. Add a tablespoon of water if the mixture is too thick. Spoon into a bowl, and enjoy right away or freeze for a short while to firm up before scooping. To get the best results, chill your bowl and utensils first and prep ingredients so everything is ready when the blender runs. Choose fruit that is evenly frozen, cut larger pieces small, and have honey or sugar on hand for balancing sweetness. Start with less liquid, then add a teaspoon at a time until the mixture moves, and finish with a squeeze of citrus for brightness and a smooth, refreshing sorbet every time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and transporting sorbet effortless and less messy, which pairs nicely with batch-making frozen fruit desserts. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you love organized kitchens. And now let's get back to the video. Experiment with combinations and add-ins to create your signature sorbet. Try mango with lime, strawberry with basil, or peach with a hint of ginger. Use coconut milk or a dollop of yogurt for a creamier mouthfeel, and keep sweetener options flexible with honey, sugar, or agave to suit taste. Remember to pulse rather than overblend to avoid heat, and chill briefly if you want firmer scoops before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.